Draper Tools has been the preferred supplier of Knipex pliers in the UK since the 1960s. Knipex are a quality German manufacturer who produce over 10 million pairs of pliers a year. The 08 range is exclusive to Draper Tools in the UK and offers a complete range of VDE fully insulated combination pliers, cutters, shears and water pump pliers. These pliers are manufactured from special tool steel that has been induction hardened and tempered and have heavy duty handles with slip guards, giving the user extra comfort and every confidence when working on live circuits. All are manufactured to DIN specifications and rigorously tested to EN 6900, which is the European standard for hand tools for working on live circuits up to 1000 volt AC or 1500 volt DC. Each plier will have been individually tested to 10,000 volts and the relevant conformance marks will be stamped onto them. If a plier does not have these marks, it does not comply to EN 6900. That could result in injury or fatality if used in the wrong environment.